So welcome back students. In this session, we will first discuss the questions involving different rates of interest for different years, for 3 consecutive years, like in question number 4 in our assignment. If it is visible in your screen, you can see it. Find the compound interest on rupees 3,125 for 3 years. Mostly for these 3 years, the rate of interest is constant. But in this question, for first year, rate of interest is 4%. For second year, it is 5%. And for third year, it is 6%. So we can use it without formula or with formula also. Without formula, we already have discussed in previous sessions. So in this session, we will discuss it by using the formula. So we have to find the compound interest on the sum of money of rupees 3,125. That is, if you observe, this is the principal. Rupees 3,125 is the principal. Principal is rupees 3,125. Question number 4. Rate of interest are different for 3 successive years. They are 4%, 5%, and 6% respectively per annum. And we have to find the compound interest. First, we find the amount. For the case in which the 3 consecutive years have the different rate of interest, we use the formula 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100 equals to 3,125 into 1 plus. For first year, rate of interest is 4%. So we write 1 plus 4 by 100. For next year, it is 1 plus rate of interest for second year is 5 by 100. And for the third year is 1 plus 6 by 100. So when we have to multiply, we can find the answer only by multiplying it. Whenever there is question of multiplication, you don't have any other option, you have to multiply. Though you can use the different methods to multiply and to make it simpler. 3,125 into 100 plus 4, 104 by 100 into 100 plus 5, 105 by 100 into 100 plus 6, 106 by 100. Now, if you simplify it, don't start cancelling out at the same step. First write all the steps again. Sometimes you do the mistakes and are not able to find that mistakes. If you have cut all these terms, like this, 26 4 25 25 5 21, and you do some mistake, then you are not able to find that mistake. To avoid these types of mistake, remember, first write it again. If you want to cancel out, first write all the steps again, like I have written, okay? This should be done in all the exams. First you write it again, then now you can cancel. 26 for the 25 for the 100. 25 ones are 25. Or you can use this also, that 5 5s are 25. 21 5s are 100. Now divide this 3125 by 5. So it is 625. Again, 100 is also divisible by 625, but don't divide it by 100 as there are 4 zeros. So we will apply decimal after 4 digits. So first multiply 625 into 26. So we know that 625 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. And multiplying with 26 to 5 is very easy. When you want to multiply any number by 5, write half of it and apply 0. Again 130 half 65 and apply 0. So we have multiplied it by 2. 2 5s means now it's turned to multiply by third. We already have cancelled out this. And again when we multiply by 5, it is 1 5 6 2 5 and 1 0 is also there. We have started with 26 5s are 130 650. Sorry, it is 650, not 625. 65 5s are 325 into 5 is 16250. So 16250. 625 into 26 is 16250. Now we will multiply it by 21. So 21 zeros are 21 5s are 105. So 5 carry 10. 42 plus 10, 52, carry 5. 126 plus 5, 131, carry 13. Then 21 is 21 plus 13, 34. Okay. 341250 into. Now we have to multiply it by 106 zeros. 106 5s are 530. 106 2s are 212. So 265 5. Carry 26. 106 ones are 106 plus 26 132. Carry 13. 106 fours are 424. 437. Carry 43. 106 threes are 318 plus 43. 361. So this is the product. 361725. Decimal after 4 digit will be applied. So it is 3617.25 rupees, which is the amount. And then we find the compound interest, as we have to find the compound interest only, which is amount minus principal. Now, amount is 3617.25 minus principal is 3125. So find the difference. 3617.50, sorry, 0.25 minus 3125.00. 5 2 7 minus 5 2 11 minus 2 9 5 minus 1 4. So it is rupees 492.25, which is the answer. So you must have understood how to find the compound interest when different rates of interest for 3 consecutive years are given, as it is given in our question number 4 of our assignment. Find the compound interest on rupees 3,125 for 3 years if the rate of interest for the first, second and third year are respectively 4%, 5% and 6%. Very easy. Hope you all must have understood it. Otherwise, ask your doubt in comment box.